Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the OSI video model. Before starting to talk about the encapsulation and decapsulation that happens in the OSI model, first I want to show you a cool application on how to track your sessions that your PC initiates on the network without using the NetSat application. So for example, if you have a Windows system, you can type TCP view Microsoft, download. And this application is free to download if you have a Windows system. It's provided by Microsoft. So you can download it and then showing folder. And it looks something like this. And over here you can run it. Of course, first you need to, if you want, you need to unzip those files, but I will skip it. And it shows like this. And over here you can see everything which your PC has opened on the internet. To be honest with you, this is a cool application that you can use, for example, at work to see what kind of software does your employer has to monitor you. So for example, if you see something like Tanium or I don't know, another application like this which is like really weird, you can also see the port, you can see the IP address where the information is going, or you can do it in a normal environment at home, for example, when you just want to see how many sessions you have opened where and so on. Now, getting back on the track, we will start to talk more about data encapsulation in the OSI model. Each OSI layer is asking for services from the next lower layer. For example, the application layer will start to ask for services from the presentation layer. To provide these services, each layer makes use of a header and possibly a trailer. That means that the lower layer will encapsulate the higher layer's data behind the header. The OSI uses a generic term of protocol data unit, or if we are using the abbreviation PDU to refer to messages. A PDU represents the bits that include the headers and trailers of that layer, as well as the encapsulated data. So the data which resides at the application layer gets a header that encapsulates the data and moves it to the presentation layer. Over here, the same process happens. The data which is received from the application layer, this one, gets another header and it's moved to the session layer. Same process happens at the session layer and the data is moved to the transfer layer. Over here, again, the same process happens, but in this header, for example, we will have the TCP or UDP ports. Let's say, for example, TCP port 80, which is for HTTP. After the data is encapsulated, it's moved to the network layer, where in the header we will find the IP packet. After the data is moved at layer 2, over here we will gonna have, except the header, we will also have layer 2 trailer. After the data is encapsulated here, it goes to the physical layer, where we have the bits, which basically they are a stream over the medium of transmission. The encapsulation process happens when your data leaves your PC. But for example, when the data is received by another PC, the process is called decapsulation. Where the operation is done backwards. That means this trailer, this header will start to be decapsulated. It will start to be stripped. It will be stripped, and then we're gonna be moved upwards to the layer 3, where again it will strip off the layer 3 header and so on. That's pretty much what it happens in the encapsulation and decapsulation for the OSI model. In the next video we will talk about a comparison between OSI and TCP/IP model, about the encapsulation and decapsulation which happens into the TCP/IP model. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video, and talk to you guys in the next one.